Hi guys, I hope y'all are doing okay today. I posted on Instagram and I asked you guys to pick a color. And the color that you came up with is purple. So I'm going to attempt a cut crease. In my memory, this is only the second time I've ever even tried to do this, so bear with me please, because I tried really hard. It's also 5 o'clock in the morning and it's storming, so there's that too. Now I've already primed my eyelids and I've already primed and set my eyelids. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced chocolate bar palette and I'm literally using all of the browns and putting them in my crease.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like
I literally worked so hard setting up my camera, and then I turned and I faced away from it and gave you terrible angles like the whole time. So I'm also sorry about that.
refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs, too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no. Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way to reconcile.
I'm just blending that all out with my Aphrodite Bad Habit palette in the color Fate.
Down on us heel. In the end, it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one.
This is my attempt at cutting my crease. Like I said, please don't make fun of my technique or anything because I'm still learning and it's not that terrible, I don't think. I don't know. Don't tell me if it is.
Too many lows, too many highs, too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
Now, on top of that, I'm putting the ColourPop Amanda Steele collab Super Shock Shadow in Ignition. Dab, dab, dab.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh. Do is say goodbye, refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry.
For primer, I'm using the Tarte Quench primer, and I got this in my Ipsy bag, and I've never used it before, so I don't know if I like it, but we'll see. A lot of this makeup that I'm using I haven't ever used before, so yeah. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation. The color that I'm using is Fair, and I haven't used this before either. For some reason I can never pick out the right shade of like foundation and concealer for myself, so it's either way too light or way too dark, and one day I'll figure it out, I swear. Also, off camera, I added a winged eyeliner with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the color Blow Pony. Forgive me for going out of frame a lot. My mirror is really far away and I'm really blind, so.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and
my concealer is CoverGirl. I've also never used this. It's CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and I'm using the shade Fair Porcelain.
sun go down, others heal. In the end, it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do is say goodbye. Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry. So lie, pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I live.
Believe it or not, this is the first time that I'm using the Airspun powder, and it smells amazing. Everyone else has tried it for years, I'm sure.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh. Do is say goodbye. Refuse to
I absolutely never contour or like bronze my face. I don't know why I decided to do it this time, but I'm using the e.l.f. Contour palette in the shade, like, I'm sure it's the light version.
keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide.
What's a blush? Anyway, the blush that I'm using is the Tarte blush in Feisty.
So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
I swear to you guys that I blend that harsh line eventually.
I don't
So I got this mascara in an Ipsy bag as well. It's Sugar. It's called Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. And I hate it. But for bottom lashes, I'm using the Wet n Wild Colored Mascara. It's in the shade Purple Violet. My highlighter is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit in Purple Horseshoe. Also, those lashes that I sneakily popped on are Eben New York in the style Courtney. Setting spray is Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. This lippy is Laurity Cosmetics in Plum. And on top of that, I put the Wet n Wild lip gloss in Crushed Grapes.